class 12 exercise 6.3. Good morning students. Now we continue our exercise. First sum. Firstly we do the 20th example. In that example 20th beta, in that he is saying find the equation of tangent to the curve if x is equal to a sin cube t and y is equal to b cos cube t at a point t is equal to pi by 2 पे हैं बेटा. Find the equation of the tangent. Firstly we find the points. Put pi by 2 here. X is equal to a into sin pi by 2 cube. Sin pi by 2, that is sin 90. 1 x is equal to sin 0 0 sin 91. A into 1 cube is equal to x is equal to a. Y is equal to b into cos pi by 2 cube. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Y is equal to b into 0 cube. This implies y is equal to 0. We got the point a0. Now slope m. We know dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Firstly we have x is equal to a sin cube t. How will we find this? This is parametric function. Firstly find dy by dt divided by dx by dt. We have x is equal to a sin cube t and y is equal to b cos cube t. What is dx by dt? You say, sir, 3a sin square t and cos t. 3a sin square t into cos t. What is dy by dt? 3b cos square t into minus sin t. We just simply find the derivative with respect to time. Now divide. What is dy by dx? You got minus 3b cos square t sin t divided by 3a sin square t cos t. Sin 2 to sin square t cancel out, cos t to this, 3 to 3. What we will get? Minus b by a cos t by sin t, cot t. What is cot t? Cot 90. We want to find out at pi by 2. What is cot 90? 1. This implies m is equal to minus b by a. Then what is the equation of this? Sorry, cot t is 0. Cot t is 0. Cot pi by 2 is 0. Then m is equal to 0. What is the equation? Y minus 0 is equal to 0. That y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Now, exercise first sum. Exercise 6.3 first sum is find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. Y is equal to 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. हमें बेटा find out करना है. Same for as example 1. What is dy by dx? You say, sir, 12x cube minus 4. 12x cube minus 4. Put at x is equal to 4. We got the m. 12 into 4 cube minus 4. That is, you got the answer. It's be the slope. Find the slope of the tangent. Next question we have. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve this at x is equal to 10. तो बेटा simply same as in the first question. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to this at the point whose coordinate x coordinate is 2. जिसका बेटा x coordinate 2 है, मीन्स पॉइंट गिवन है 2 0. सिंपली डेरिवेटिव कीजिए और x की जगह 2 पुटअप कीजिए, x के स्थान पर टू पुटअप कीजिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हुई है फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट टू द कर्व y इज इक्वल टू दिस एट द पॉइंट हुज कोऑर्डिनेट इज 3. सेम बेटा अब की बार x कोऑर्डिनेट 3 है. फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव एज इन दिस we do in that question. Find the slope of the normal to the curve this at theta is equal to pi by 2. beta firstly as we do in the 20th example, find the dy by dx and put pi by 4 at this. You got the equation of slope, but we want to find the normal. तो normal कैसे निकलेगा? You know m1 into m2 is equal to -1. जो आपका आंसर आए बेटा उसको रेसिप्रोकल कीजिए और माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, बिकॉज यू नो द इफ टू लाइन्स आर परपेंडिकुलर देन देयर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप इज -1. इन सेम मैनर फाइंड द पॉइंट एट विच द टेंजेंट टू द कर्व दिस इज पैरेलल टू द एक्स एक्सिस. पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस मीन्स स्लोप इज इक्वल टू 0. ही इज सेइंग फाइंड द पॉइंट निकालने हैं. तो बेटा क्या करेंगे, आप स्लोप हैं उसको 0 के इक्वल पुट कर दीजिए, यू गेट द आंसर. आज के लिए इनफ. बाय बेटा, टेक केयर.